Hey guys, it's Blake Holbrooks with MarineMax on Lake Wylie. Today we're out here checking out this 2026 AR250 from Yamaha. We got it in that gray color. You guys climb aboard and let's check it out. All right, welcome aboard guys. So we're inside the AR250 now. You guys can take a quick look at your huge swim platform back there. That is the Yamaha trademark. A nice dual step. You do have a ladder for easy climbing up back there, radio controls, and a table mount. And then on that top step, you'll have two seat backs back here, which both open up and you have storage underneath those. So you guys can go ahead and make your way into the cockpit. So you see we have a nice symmetrical U-shaped bow or stern seating back here in the cockpit, all shaded by the bimini on top of your sport tower here. All right, storage underneath each of these seats. And then you got your switches for your battery on the port side over there. And then up here it leads you to your two captain's chairs. Both of these do swivel around, move forward and backwards, and you can adjust the back supports there. And they have the armrests that flip as well. The captain's one has a bolster, so you can lift yourself up, have a good line of sight over the windshield when you're out on the water. Bring you up onto the helm. You can see you do have that Aqua Amp wireless cell phone charger over there, which is nice if you want to have the phone mounted playing music or have your map pulled up. Or you do have the option for all that stuff in your Yamaha screen as well. Over here on the port side, you have a huge compartment that is ready to be ahead, so you could drop a porta potty in there if you wanted to. If not, it's just a massive storage spot. Going on with the storage, you got this nice big ski locker. We got the cover stashed in there now. And then on top of that, you can see your snap-in flooring. That is a woven vinyl material, so super easy to clean. You can take it out. If you want to pull it out, you got non-skid underneath there. We'll make our way into the bow. And I'm gonna have a seat so you guys can get an idea of how spacious this bow is. Nice and big for a 25-footer with dedicated anchor storage and a bow ladder up here. Got some cup holders and two speakers up here, so whoever's riding in the bow will be super comfortable. And this boat will come with the filler cushions to make this a full sun pad up here. If you guys have any questions about this boat or anything else we offer here at MarineMax, you can give us a call at 803-831-2101. You can ask for me, Blake.